Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Branch is a small community located on the southern tip of the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland, Canada. It is situated along the coast of St. Mary's Bay, approximately 100 kilometers southwest of St. John's, the capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador. It is part of the larger municipality of Branch St. Mary's. Branch has a long history dating back to the 17th century when it was settled by Irish immigrants, primarily from Waterford and Wexford. The community was established as a fishing and farming settlement, and its economy has historically been tied to the sea. Branch is known for its scenic coastal landscapes, with rugged cliffs, rocky shorelines, and stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. The area is surrounded by rolling hills, green meadows, and picturesque valleys, making it a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Branch has a close-knit community that values its heritage and traditions. Residents are known for their warmth and hospitality, and the village has a strong sense of community spirit. Branch hosts various events and activities throughout the year, including cultural festivals and community gatherings. While fishing and agriculture have historically been the primary economic activities in Branch, the community has diversified its economy in recent years. Tourism is becoming increasingly important, with visitors drawn to Branch's natural beauty and cultural attractions. Branch is home to several historic sites and landmarks, including traditional fishing stages, heritage homes, and historic churches. These sites offer insight into the area's rich cultural heritage and the lives of its early settlers. Overall, Branch is a charming coastal community that offers visitors a tranquil retreat amidst stunning natural scenery and a glimpse into Newfoundland's vibrant maritime history and cultural heritage.
Thanks for watching!